it's Jim from AcceleratedMuscleBuilding.com. I'm here with Arnell, and we're going to show you the top 2 fixes for a deadlift. Now in the gym, you see a lot of guys round back deadlifting, you see a lot of guys hitching the weight up. So we're going to show you 2 quick fixes, and I'm going to talk through some of the technique points with Arnell to help you improve your deadlift. So Arnell is going to show you the first bag technique, and it's called stiff-legged deadlifting or round back deadlifting. You can see here his back is rounded, okay, his head's down, and he's going to lift the weight. And obviously he's doing it with really light weight. We wouldn't want to demonstrate with heavy weight, but this is a bad technique. Okay? Now, the key here when you're setting up for the deadlift, you want to make sure your shins are pretty close to the bar because we want it as close to your body as possible. Now, when your shins are close to the bar, you close the distance between the center of gravity of the bar and your center of gravity, and that's going to give you the best leverage points. Now, when he goes down to address the bar, he's going to set his air real hard, okay? And when he sets his air, that means just taking in a huge breath of air and holding it. As he grabs the bar, he's going to straighten his back out. Turn to the side here. So we show the round back. So when he goes to address the bar, he's going to correct that and move his hips back. Go ahead and arch and move your hips back. Okay, we're going to set your back this time. Stay neutral.
What do you want me to?
I want you to set your back. So this is the right way to set your back. Okay? So by the time he's pulling on the bar, his back is neutral. This is called neutral posture. So go ahead and address the bar again. Now the key to keeping that neutral posture when you're deadlifting is just really taking in that big air and bracing. Go ahead and take a deep breath. He sets his back, heads up, and he doesn't want to jerk the weight off the ground. He wants to drive the floor away. Go ahead and drive the floor with your feet. Excellent. And you can see how the bar is following his body all the way up. Okay, we don't want that bar to float away from us.
Okay, let me do it from the side.
Sure.
Here.
Okay. So Arnell's going to take a deep breath. He set his back, and he drives the floor away. Good. And the bar should scrape all the way down. If you see really good deadlifters, they have a lot of scrapes on their shins because the bar is so close. You hear him taking in his air and setting his breath. He sets his breath, he holds it, and drives the floor away. Now the second technique we're going to show is basically, it's usually a weakness issue, weakness in the upper back. Now if I get my traps in my back real strong, it helps lock out the weight, okay? Also rack pulls and different things like that strengthen the erectors and the glutes and help us lock out the weight as well. But you'll see a lot of guys when they get heavier is when they get to their knees, okay, the weight starts hitching upward, okay? And that, like I said, it could be a strength issue, it could be a technique issue. We're going to focus on the strength aspect. If I don't want to hitch the weight up, okay, I start with light weight and just practice perfect form, but I also have to get stronger. The few exercises that help getting stronger are rack pulls, and we can demonstrate those in a different video, or building up my traps and upper back with compound movements, a lot of shrugs and a lot of pull-ups. Okay, so show him what a hitch looks like. He's going to arch and he's just going to kind of hitch it back. Good. Go ahead and set that down. So what he wants to do, let me in there. What he wants to do when he's locking out that deadlift, okay, I'm going to put this here. As soon as he gets to his knees, he wants a powerful glute contraction and he wants to stand straight up. So when I come down here, okay, when I get it to my knees, I want to squeeze my glutes. And I don't want to lean back. That's just hyperextending the lower lumbar or the lower back. So when I get it to my knees, I just squeeze my butt real hard. Okay, and I stand straight up. And that is a perfect lockout. You want to be straight as narrow, and you don't want to arch the weight back, okay, because that puts a lot of strain on your lower back. Alright, thank you for watching our top 2, our fixes for the top 2 issues with the deadlift. Visit AcceleratedMuscleBuilding.com. Thanks a lot, Arnell.
Thank you.